Parrots are colorful and intelligent birds known for their charming personalities. These avian wonders come in a dazzling array of colors and patterns, making them a visual delight. What truly sets them apart is their remarkable ability to mimic sounds, including human speech. This talent has earned them a special place as beloved pets and performers. Parrots have strong beaks and clever minds. Parrots have strong beaks and clever minds, allowing them to solve puzzles and perform tricks. They are highly social birds, forming tight-knit bonds with their mates and flock members. In the wild, their vibrant plumage helps them blend into lush rainforests or stand out in arid landscapes. These feathered companions play vital roles in their ecosystems by spreading seeds and supporting plant growth. Whether in a tropical forest